this is what my hair looks like right after the shower. I just dried it up with the blow dryer. And I also want to point out that I do have the keratin, so right now my hair is looking a lot more sleek than it really is. I also use the Revlon blow dryer, and that one has worked out for me for the longest time. I am trying to get my hands on the Dyson because I do feel like the Revlon like fries up my hair. I literally feel it frying up my hair. When I'm blow drying it, I see the sparks of like little fire. Maybe it's time for me to get a new one. But today, the elephant in the room, what we're talking about today is the T3 Lucia flat iron right here. This is it right here. I did get it in like the pink rose gold color. I just felt like it was cute and it was more me. Like, it's not me if I didn't get it rose gold. They had it, the white one is beautiful too. The white one is white and it has like little details in rose gold as well. This one is pink with rose gold details. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Okay. Oh, let's try that again. This is what it looks like inside of the box. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I got this I had to open it up because I had to see it in my hands, and I had to see what it felt like, what it looked like in person. But today we're gonna put it to use. How cute is this? I don't know if the camera is showing the actual color of it, but like, this is beautiful. Right here you have all the settings. This is the cord. The cord is pretty long, and I like how the inside is like white. The part that heats up is white. Super convenient like that because you can see wherever it got dirty and you can clean it up. I'm gonna take very good care of this iron and clean it up every time that I use it. I'm not gonna lie, my other irons are still good. I have like two. I literally have like a Chi iron that my mom has had since I was like 4 or 5, and it still works. I have another one that's blue. I don't know the brand. My mom got that one and I don't know the brand. It came with the iron. The iron came with the curling wand as well. I'm not sure what brand it is, but it's been really good. We've had that one for like over like 7 years already, and it's been really good. But I just felt like it was time for a new one, so that's why I got this one. And the reason that I invested in this iron is because I am the type to iron my hair a lot. I try to not do it as much. That's why I got my keratin done, to not be using an iron so much. But I just can't. I can't with my curly hair. I am an iron girl. I'm gonna iron my hair because I love the sleek look. I love having my hair ironed. Now and then I do curls, but I'm just a straight hair girl. And my hair has always been curly, and I've always wanted my hair to be straight. And my curls are pretty much like, I could say, ruined already because I've been ironing my hair since I was in elementary. Yeah, so my curls are pretty much like very damaged. I don't think I can get my curls back unless I chop off my hair completely and start a new hair journey. And that's just, curly hair is just not gonna work out for me, so that's why I got this baby. Now you can see all the little circles lighting up. These are the instructions. Let's see what it says. The instructions here say to press the power temperature button to turn on the iron. The light will turn on solid when the unit is ready to use. And here it says that each time you turn the iron, it will heat up to the last temperature it was set. So wherever you set it up to be the first time that you used it, it's gonna turn back on to that temperature when you use it again, unless you want to change it. It says to change the temperature, double click the power temperature button, then continue to click the cycle through the exact temperature setting. So what I did figure out with this iron is that you need to double click it whenever the light goes to the number that you want. It does have 9 settings, so whenever it goes to the setting that you want it at, just double click, because it only has one button, so you just double click it and it's gonna stay there. Right now it's on temperature 7. It does have 9 settings and it's on setting 7. I do want to see this part here and like the back, how good it will get it, because those parts, it doesn't matter if I do the keratin, it doesn't matter what I do, they're always gonna come out curly. So if you have curly hair, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So before I start ironing my hair, I'm gonna take this Chi Iron Guard spray to spray my hair. Okay. Alright, so just gonna let it cool off a little bit. So right now I'm gonna part my hair in half and we're gonna get started right now. And I'm going to start ironing my hair. If you guys see me looking to the side, it's because I have a mirror right there, so I don't want to get burnt. Pretty good, pretty good. I think that's enough. Gonna get another piece. Let's take another chunk of hair and voila. Pretty good. I can say that the setting on 7 works pretty well for me. I think I can even go for like less. It is very hot. I did not get the ID. I think that's what it's called, the T3 Lucia ID, which is the one that's like digital and you can like touch it. It has like a touch screen right here. I didn't get that one because I was seeing like a bunch of reviews. So I'm the type of person where I will watch over, if not all of them, most of them. I will watch almost all the reviews on whatever I'm trying to buy, especially if it's like a big investment. I will watch all the videos on YouTube of whatever I'm trying to get. And I was watching this girl, I forgot her name. She reviews a lot of hair tools and she was saying that she really likes these irons. She was talking about how good they are, and she has both this one, the T3 original one, and the T3, and she also has the T3 Lucia ID. And she was saying that out of the two of them, she will still go back to this one because she feels like every time that she's like doing her hair with her fingers, she will touch up something on the little touch screen and it will like discontrol her settings on the iron. And I'm like, I do not want that problem happening with me, because I grab my iron like this and I'm very like, it wasn't for me, because I know myself and I know that I'm going to be discontrolling all the settings on that iron. And I'm like, dude, the only difference is that one has like a little touching space there. So I just got the original one, which is basically the same thing. It just has like a different design. Those are like rose gold on the inside. But I really like this one. It's going very well. And yeah, and I mean, she said that she preferred this one over the ID one, so I was like, okay, I'm definitely not getting the ID one. That is just extra work, and when I do my hair, I am not trying to waste that much time. I saw a lot of people doing curls with this iron. They say that this iron is really good because it has like, it's curved. I don't know if you guys can see, the iron is curved right there. So it's better to like do the curl, and the curls that people have done with this iron are like super beautiful. If you guys do want to see me do my hair curly with this iron, leave it down in the comments and I will do curly hair, and I will do some curls with the Lucia. Sorry guys, my camera ran out of space, so I had to get a new SD card. Okay, let me brush this down a little bit. go. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna speed this up and you guys can see me do my hair in seconds.
Are you recording? Yeah, but you're not gonna put that.
Blurry, come on, and voila, this is what my hair looks like right now. Hello, it's so freaking straight. Look at that, how beautiful. And I only went through it like 3 to 4 times, but I feel like with like 3 times you're good. Just go that one extra pass if you do feel like you need it. I'm super, like, I don't know how to explain it because I'm very like picky with my hair. I want my hair to be straight everywhere, like especially my roots and my little pelitos back here, because girl, when I tell you that I have curls, I have curls. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the back. This is my hair right now. Super nice. Lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Chi oil. I've been using this oil since I was super little. My mom has always bought this oil and I can't tell you guys how good this smells. My goodness. I only put like 2 drops because another thing about me is I have very oily hair. My scalp is so oily. Like, I washed my hair today and by tomorrow it's gonna be super oily, but I'm just adding this for a little bit of more shine and to calm my frizz down a little bit more as well. Right there. You guys, this smells so good, and a little bit goes a long way. I'm telling you guys, I only put like 2 drops and that is enough, more than enough for me. But yeah, you guys, this is the outcome. Super nice. I've been looking at the little screen. I forgot to look here. But you guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. How does my hair look? The outcome, let me know. I also wanted to tell you guys that this iron, one thing that I love about it is if you are doing your hair and you leave it on, you're in a rush, you forget to turn it off, this iron will stop by itself. It will turn off by itself in like an hour. If you're not using it, it will turn off by itself, and I really like that. Even though I never leave my iron on, I'm very cautious when it comes to that. I always try to plug everything out, turn off the candles, anything that has fire or gets warm. I am very cautious with that before leaving the house. I double check the house, but just in case, you know, anything can happen, it will turn off, and that's a really good feature that this iron brings. This is it for the unboxing and reviewing the T3 Lucia iron. And if you guys are looking for a good iron, I suggest this iron is really good. I had this iron on setting 7 and I truly feel like I could have gone way lower, like probably 5 would have been super good for me. And like all the other videos that I saw online, it was always positive comments and reviews on it. So if you are looking for a good iron, I truly suggest this one. So yeah,